Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Ilocos Norte Division, Dr. Cecilia Pasis Aribobo, wherever you are, Madam. The Assistant Schools Division Superintendent for Secondary Schools, Mrs. Trinidad T. Madamba, the Youthful and Handsome Education Program Supervisor for Values, Dr. Joel Lopez, wherever you are, sir and madam. Public Schools District Supervisor of Bangi, Mr. Orsino Pascua. The soon-to-be father of our school, Mr. Almera Tuita. Our respected Municipal Mayor, Honorable Francis R. Espiritu Jr., sir. Members of the Sangguniang Bayan, headed by Honorable Odona Maginaldo. Barangay officials, under the leadership of Honorable Faustino Tomas. Other platform guests, our sacrificing parents, dedicated teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a fine morning to all. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty Father for allowing all of us to witness the 16th graduation exercises of the Malneg National High School, and for giving me the sole privilege to deliver this valedictory speech. When I was drafting this speech, I was quite pressured, and I can't think and find any other touching words to use, because in the past, when I saw some valedictorians who delivered their speeches, they were carried away of what they're saying and tend to cry in front of the multitude. And I am a little bit worried if I will not cry later. Back in the days when the importance of education was not yet clear for me, an unspeakable personality enveloped my existence. Unrefined, yet I always had a soft spot for my nose. Almost every day, they would jeer and tease me. Yet, I held back my anger and let my tears roll down. I was reluctant to join contests because I was so afraid if they would call out my bull word and attach me to the audience. But then, their poison became my medicine. I gained my confidence in dealing with other people. They challenged me, and it helped me to claw my way to where I am now. Indeed, they are those people behind the tears of frustrations and disappointment. Now it means so much more. Today is a regular day to all of us, the graduates. Because after 4 years of incessant schoolwork, here we are, ready to step on the next rung on the educational ladder. As my eyes roll, I can see familiar faces, faces of relatives, friends, and acquaintances from near and far who have come to grace this occasion. I feel exceedingly happy to see all of you today. Thank you so much for your presence. Several years ago, we dreamed of this event. Now it has become a reality. After today, our stay in this institution will just be memories. But then, it will be forever cherished in our hearts, indelibly written to our minds, and eternally bound to our souls. You are the fortunate witnesses culmination of our secondary schooling. Nga mawisan kay man ang makitanggay kada kami. Nga purpose ita, amang ipaay, kangunaan na panagdayaw, kadagiti natatanong kang ma, kenin na, anang ipaay, kisaan magag katadangay at kada kami, ang nakda. Tanong mga pagtapos kang, eskwela sekundarya. Adala dun ka, tatanami, kananami, our loving parents. Nagitiglam na mga banwa. As yung limit ang nakirangit, kadagiti adwa parikot ti may sa pagbabaza. Nang nanuna-una iti problema ti kwarta. Isulat tinagpek na mapadayawan. Nga minawan ka, awan kang kumakas dito ita. Dawaday kung mga rule kadagiti naganak at tumagder ka. Dear parents, please stand to be recognized. Thank you. Lakpangan tayo Manila. Kada kayo entry niya naganak, nagyaman ng unay, tinapos na ya, kaya palang ipatay. Nang ipatay niyo wala kami. Pinag-aral na kami sa Anagapo. Pinag-aral na kami sa Anagapo at nagsarbigam tumet kada kayo. Nudiket makag-iga po. Nagwaywayas kang tumet at sumarangit. Kadagiti adwa parikot tibiyag timasakbayan. Di ka makasubsubat kada kayo. We love you so much. To you beloved teachers, we extend our heartfelt thanks for the efforts you have poured into our lives. With the skill of an accomplished potter, you have molded us gentle. You have molded us gently with your gentle hands. You have properly guided us to become responsible and have equipped us with the skills, knowledge, and values which will help us a lot in our pursuit for higher education. Kada kayo po nga naanos kaya nagkakadayaw opisyal, tiilin tayo. Headed by our very dynamic and debonair Municipal Mayor, Honorable Francis R. Espiritu Jr. Sir. Agyaman ka una kadagiti di magagkatada na support tayo. Financial and moral support. Nang nangruna para kanya, kan kada kaming estudyante in our quest for honor and recognition to our school and our humble municipality. Thank you so much, and may you always keep on reaching out to the students in our school. To our alma mater, Dumalag National High School, we won't forget you. 4 years ago, we came to you, seeking for education and guidance. You didn't fail us. Continue your noble task of molding minds and inculcating the values in the students who come to be nourished and protected under your roof. Rest assured that as we leave your portals, we will bring with us the thoughts of your lofty ideals and ardent wishes. To my fellow graduates, the challenge that lies ahead of us is greater. In our journey, we will have to suffer much and study a lot. Struggle and strive come first before success, even in a dictionary. Our world is being bothered and hampered by global chaos, political tumult, rampant graft and corruption, breakdown of the family, economic instability, and ecological distortion. Young as we are, we cannot seem to understand why, despite the advent of high technology and modern communication, the world still lacks unity and proper social order. Ang media ay malimit na nagpapakita sa atin kung ano ang pinakabago at pinakamagandang sasakyan, cellphone, TV, at kung ano na lang nakasangkapan na nagdudulot sa atin ng pagnanasang magkaroon ng mga ganito. Ang ilang mga magulang ay pumupunta pa sa ibang bansa upang umangat ang ating buhay at naiiwan ang kanilang mga mahal na anak at asawa na para bang ang salapi o ang kayamanang material ang pinakamahalaga sa buhay. Kung minsan, ang buhay nila ay nawawala o ang pamilya nila ay nawawasak. Ang mga pinapanood sa sinehan na karaniwan ay nagpapakita ng karahasan na siya ginagaya ng mga kabataan at ang mga nakatatanda na rin. These are the grim realities that we must face. Co-graduates, tayo ang inaasahang gumawa ng pagbabago. Hindi lang sa ating mga kapwa-kabataan, kundi na rin sa mga nakatatanda sa lipunan. Co-graduates, gusto nating lahat ang magtagumpay. Pero upang makamit ito, kinakailangan ng magandang pag-uugali, sipag, tiyaga, masusing pangunawa sa kung ano ang iyong ambisyon. At higit sa lahat, pagtitiwala sa sarili at sa Panginoon. Let us pray to God so that whatever our ambitions in life are, He will be with us always. It's not easy to say goodbye. It's not easy to hold back the tears, but we must go. There are new horizons waiting for us. Unknown challenges to meet, goals to set, and discoveries to make. I reiterate, a million thanks to your overflowing love. And so to all of you, we bid adieu. Till we meet again, may God bless us.